everybody, Brian from Cabinet Joint here. Gonna shoot a quick video on Conestoga's new cabinet Scribe line for their cabinet backs. Every now and then they change their assembly just to try to make things a little bit better for the end user. So this one, May of 2023, the issue we were having, if you've built Conestoga's cabinets before, on the cabinet back there was a Scribe line, and this cabinet Scribe line, which I'm running my fingernail in right now, was meant to line up with the dead center of the cabinet top or bottom that goes into that dado, and so you'd be pinning directly into that cabinet top if you follow that Scribe line. The problem with the Scribe line was it rarely tracked straight. That dado was put in with a CNC. This was done secondarily, and sometimes whatever process they were using, it was right away from the fence. The Scribe line would get wavy or run away. When a customer accidentally followed the Scribe line, they might punch a hole in the cabinet back where it was not going into the cabinet top or bottom. It was coming out above it or below it, which is really bad because then it's into your cabinet interior. So Conestoga sought to make a change where the dado had that put in at the same time that a new Scribe option was put in, so it couldn't deviate. It was not put in as a secondary operation. So what they've done is, we'll get a close-up of this, but every 5 inches, starting in the center of the panel and working outward, they put a hole. And that hole is a drilled hole all the way through. I can see daylight through it. That is not a screw hole. That doesn't mean, oh, that's where I put my screw. You could put a screw there, but that's not the way to assemble the cabinet. That would be additional fasteners. What you want to do is on either side of that hole, and you can strike a line if you want, but it's very easy to do by eye, just put a pin on either side of the hole all the way across, and that would give you 6 pins across and then one right up against the edge. We have not needed to strike an additional line here in the shop. It's very easy to do visually. If you want to strike a line, feel free, throw a straight edge on there, but just pins on either, or staples on either side of those pre-drilled holes, and then one right up against the cabinet wall, you're good to go. So again, this change took place as a running change, I want to say early May of 2023. If you've had prior experience with Conestoga, you'll know exactly what we mean by Scribe line. New folks, hopefully you're watching this video, but if you get your cabinets and you're like, well, he keeps referencing in the old videos, he references the Scribe line and I'm seeing holes, that's why. So if you have any questions, give your cabinet coach a call. We can walk you through it, but it's pretty self-explanatory. Hope this helps. Have a good day.